Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give an update. And as what we expected, the price tag 37,900, and even we see the breakout. But as we can see, 2 times we see the price reverse, but it couldn't break this soon as upward. We see the breakout of the 37,900. Now, want to see what's the next, because I mentioned for me, I wanted to see the reversal without the breakout of the 37,900. And if you move to daily chart, since the price broke the period 37,900, almost is near that support. If the price couldn't reverse from here, mostly we see the price retest or tag the previous low. And with the breakout of this low, we can expect the price drop to 28,300, following by 26,100. All right. At this point, still we can consider this one as a correction relative to this, because almost is near to what we have been looking for. And whether we should look for sell or buy, based on daily chart, I don't see any trade setup. We want to see what we will get here, but still, if we get any opportunity for buy, we can take it. That means still we can get the help for the price to reverse, but we need to be quite careful. But for sure, the best thing is if the price could tag the previous low following by divergence, then we could confirm with this one. It can give us better confirmation for reversal. But as I mentioned earlier, even when the price was here, I mentioned we're looking for the reversal as a long term. We're looking for buy, but we can expect the price to consolidate here for longer time before we see the reversal. And we're looking to see the breakout of the 67,500. And we, as a short term, we can look for 74 following by 81K. But as a long term, we can look for 88 following by 112K. All right. When I say as a short term or long term, the meaning is this is the target we're looking for. But with the breakout of desktop, first we have to see the breakout of the 74 and 81K. All right. Anyway, as a long term, we're looking for the reversal. And mostly at this point, we want to see at this long term, we're looking for 88 following by 112K. And but we don't have any trade setup for buy at this point. And if we move to forward chart after we see the breakout of this trend line, this is what we get. And right now, as the price could break 37,900, no, the only thing is we have to look at the previous support. If the price, we want to see whether we can get the reversal without the breakout of any of this or not. And as I mentioned, based on the forward chart, based on daily chart, we didn't have any trade setup, even based on forward chart. If you put this low in relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators, still we don't see the divergence, but here I see the divergence, and mostly we cannot conform with any of this for the reversal point. We want to see, we have to wait, we want to see what we will get here. And even as I mentioned, based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. And if I move to lower time frame, if we move to 1 hour chart, based on indicators, we see we have a divergence. All right, may we get the short term buy. And at this point, if anyone wants to put the entry above the top, this is the only place you can put the one entry above the top, above this top. That means we can put our entry somewhere around 38,530, right? In case the price reverse, then we can get the trade, or we can look for the reversal as a short move flag. At this price, still we can look for, if I get any opportunity for buy, I will take it. But we cannot simply take the trade, because we can expect the price to reverse as a corrective move for the next drop, and we see the continuation as a corrective move before we see the reversal. All right. And again, we don't see any reversal point at this point, at this time, I mean, at this price. And right now I'm looking at 36,383 almost. The exact value will be, if we put our line here, with the exact value will be 36,275. We're looking at this support. We want to see whether the price can break this, the previous support or not. All right, because already the price broke the 61% of this move. All right, and even if you refer to my last analysis, I mentioned if the price couldn't break 37,900, we see the reversal as a, then in that case we can look at this one as a flat for the next drop. This is what we get, but technically I don't like really to put this one in relative to what we have here. That's why if the price reverses a corrective move, we need to be really careful. If we get any opportunity for buy, we are not looking for the reversal as a corrective, because still we can expect the price to retest the previous low, which is somewhere around 33K. And again, the reason I'm highlighting about this, just I want to highlight that if anyone wants to look for buy, they have to wait for the proper trade setup. Even we are looking for the reversal as the long term, simply we cannot take the trade because with the breakout of this low, even we can expect the price drop to somewhere around 28, following by 26. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade setup, then I will share. Thanks.